Hello viewers and family, welcome to Pretty Omonomose TV. Thanks for stopping by. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are hello welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You can also share this video. Thanks so much. So guys, in today's video is how to use tomatoes for face mask. I have here tomatoes with me. I'm going to use these tomatoes for face mask. Before showing you an example of how to use tomatoes for face mask, let me tell you the benefits of using tomatoes. So, using of tomatoes for face mask reduces oiliness. Using of tomatoes for face mask treats sunburn. Using of tomatoes for face mask tightens skin pores. So using of tomatoes fading away fine lines and wrinkles. For immediately results, you have to apply tomatoes on your face every day. Applying tomatoes juice on the face every day, it will reduce the blackheads and reduce pimples on the skin. And it increases white skin cells. And tomatoes is good for acne, and tomatoes is good for balancing your skin. So guys, can you see what tomatoes can do for you? Tomatoes is very good and very beneficial for the skin when you use it as a face mask. So guys, now let's go to the kitchen. Let me share with you guys how I'm going to use these tomatoes for face mask. So let's go. So guys, I'm in the kitchen. So let me show you how to use the tomatoes for face mask. Then I have 2 tomatoes here. Let me show you an example of one first. You have to cut it into 2. After cutting it into 2, use this part of it, anyone you like, but I'm just showing an example. Use it to scrub to rub your face. Okay, you need to rub your face for like 3 minutes, then leave it in your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. Okay, do it every day and you will see a very good result. So let me show you the other example. I've showed you the first example. Let me show you the second example. You just have to slice it. Okay, just slice it. So that you can be able to blend it. I have here a small blender. I'm not using the bigger one because I want it to blend smooth into a smoothie paste. So put it inside the blender. Then cover it. So I have to blend it process. So guys, I have blended it. I need the juice, okay? I need the juice of the tomatoes. So guys, you can use any of this example, okay? When you want to use this, you need a brush like this. This is a makeup brush. Just dip it inside and use it to rub your face. After rubbing your face, then leave it in your face for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Okay, rinse it off with cold water. Do this every day for 2 weeks to 4 weeks, then you will see a better result. So guys, you can see the example of what I just did. You can use this example or you can use this example. Anyone you prefer, you can use it. Okay, so that is for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for staying tuned till the end of this video. Please, like I said before, give it a thumbs up if you find this video interested, and leave your comment on the comment section if you have any questions, or if you like what I did, just leave your comments also. Thanks so much. Till we meet again next time. Bye bye.